Good morning, friends. I hope all you are staying at home and be safe. Let's enjoy by playing with mathematics. If you are seeing daily these videos, then please share these videos with your friends, relatives, so that they also get the benefit of these lectures. Today, we will see how to square the numbers between 25 and 75. The short trick is n square is equal to 25 plus d comma d square. Here n is the number whose square we have to find and d is the distance from the base. For the range 25 to 75, the base is considered as 50 and here the value of d square must be of 2 digit only. So remember this trick, and main thing is for the range 25 to 75 the base is 50 and d square must be of 2 digit only. First we take the numbers above 50. For example, for 50, what is the value of d? The distance of 50 from 50 is 0. Similarly, for 51, the distance of 51 from 50 is plus 1. So, the value of d is here plus 1. If we take 52, then what is the value of d here? The value of d is here plus 2. If we take 74, then what is the value of d here? Since d is the distance from base 50. So, to obtain 74 from 50, we have to add plus 24. So, for 74, d is plus 24. If we take 75, then what is the value of d is? So, here the value of d is plus 25. Now, all these numbers are above the base 50. Then, what happened if we take the numbers below 50? Let's take as 25. If we take 25, then what is the value of d? To obtain 25 from base 50, we have to subtract 25 from 50. Then only we get plus 25. So here the value of d is minus 25. Again for 26, what is the value of d? D is the distance from base. So the distance of 26 from base 50 is minus 24. Similarly, for 48, what is the value of d? 48 is obtained from 50 by subtracting 2. So, what the value of d is minus 2. For 49, the value of d is minus 1. So, remember this, how to take the value of d for the range 25 to 75. Now we take first example, and we take the numbers above 50 first. Now, if we have to square the number 51, which is equal to 51 square is equal to, the trick is n square is equal to 25 plus d comma d square. Here 25 plus d. The value of d for 51, d is equal to here plus 1. So here we write as 1 comma d square. D square means plus 1 whole square. Then we get 25 plus 1. 26 comma 1 square is 1. But we know that here d square must be of 2 digit only. Here is a 1 which is 1 digit number. So to make 1 as a 2 digit, we have to write 0. 26 comma 0 comma 1. because if we write 1 or 0 1, then no effect is there. So we write 1 as 0 1 also. So now this is 2 digit only. So we get finally the square of 51 as 51 square is equal to 2601. Now we take second example as 52. 52 square is equal to 25 plus d. Here the value of d is plus 2. So here we write it as 2 comma d square means plus 2 whole square. Then we get 25 plus 2, 27 comma 2 square means 4. Again this is a 1 digit only. But for the range 25 to 75 we have d square must be of 2 digit. So we write 4 as a 0 4. So 27 comma 0 4. Then finally we get the square of 52 as 2704. You can check this answer using calculator and you will get these answers only. So this is the short trick to find the squares between 25 to 75. Now we take the number as a 54. 54 square is equal to 25 plus d. The value of d is here plus 4. D square means 4 square. So we get 29 comma 4 square is 16. And already this is a 2 digit number. So no need to make it 2 digit again. So finally we get the square of 54 as 2916. Now we take the number 74. 74 square is equal to 25 plus d. The value of d here is plus 24 because the distance of 74 from base 50 is plus 24. So value of d is 24. So we write it as a 25 plus 24 comma 24 square. Then we get 25 plus 24 49 comma. Yesterday we have seen that how to square the numbers between 10 to 25. By using that trick we find the square of 24 and we get it as 576. But this is a 3 digit number, but we have here d square must be of 2 digit only. So to make this number as a 2 digit we add this 5 to here. Then we get by adding 5 here. Then we get 9 plus 5 14. 14 then we write it here as a 4 and carry is 1. So we get 54 comma. Remaining term here is 76. Then finally we get the square of 74 is equal to 5476. By checking this answer on calculator, you will get the same answer. Similarly, we take the square of 75 here. The value of d is here plus 25. So we write it as a 25 square is equal to 25 plus 25 comma 25 square. We get 25 plus 25 50 comma. Square of 25 is 625. But this is 3-digit number. So we have to convert it into 2-digit. So we add 6 here. Then we get 56, 25. And here is the d square is 2-digit only. Then finally we get the square of 75 is equal to 5625. You can check this answer on calculator, then you will get the same answer. This is the simple way. If in some problems you have given that square of 7.5, find square of 7.5, then how will you find this answer? Then use this trick. First find the square of 75 as we find here. Then you get the answer as a 5625. From this we find square of 7.5 as we write decimal point after 2 digits. Then we get answer as a 56.25. This is the square of 7.5. Also, if you have given find the square of 7.75, then what is your answer? Then the answer is 5625. Here there are two decimals, here there are 2 digits after decimal and we have to square it. So we write the decimal point after 4 digits from right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 0.5625. This is the square of 0.75. In this way you can find the squares which are given in decimal form also. But these numbers are between the range only 25 to 75. By using this trick, you will find the answers easily. And today we have taken the numbers above the 50 only. In next lecture, we find how to find the square of the numbers below 50. Today's task for you is find the all squares from 50 to 75 by using this trick and check your answers on calculator. Also you can take the numbers with decimal between 50 to 75 and you can find the square of them. So enjoy the mathematics.